Well, folks, hello and welcome back to the Relaxing Woodshop. Of course, my name is David. Thank you so much for watching the last show. I'm sure everybody enjoyed the wee R2D2 that we made. Bit of fun, bit more simpler. But I had been asked to do something really simple. Something you don't have to use lathes and you could use hand tools. Now, I might not use all the hand tools because we'll have machines around the shop to speed it up. So I've been asked for something to do really simple. It's going to cost very little money and potentially be like a light or a lamp or something like that there. So we're going to do that. But before we get into it, I just want to thank everybody for the likes and subscribes. It's really enjoyable to see we're really getting close to 750 subscribers. So again, such a tiny wee channel means so much to us guys. So let's go. So for this week, what we're going to use, £2.99 at any local store, and a piece of wood. Now, okay, I'm going to use quite an expensive piece of wood here. Very expensive piece of wood. I can't even remember the name of it. I remember buying it a number of years ago and always thinking it was good value, even though it was double figures. But I want to use it for the design, okay? But you could use a wee bit of pine, you could use an old piece from a pallet, anything out there can do this. I just want to because I like the colour of this. So what we're going to do is, we're going to make a lamp using £3, and potentially if you went to B&Q and just bought any local wood, there are other stores available, you'll spend about £3-4 on a piece of wood here. So let's say this is going to be at very most £7, okay? £7, lovely lamp, let's go. Okay, now obviously if you weren't buying this type of wood and you were just going to your local DIY store and getting cut wood, some of it will be flat, but because that was rough cut, I had to run it through the planer there, and as you can see, people sometimes wonder how the difference of a planer is. That's the difference, and it really brings out the grain as well in that beautiful piece of wood there, so it does. So now we'll get our angles cut and then work out a bit with how we put in the bulbs. Okay folks, so now what we're on to is our Z, I suppose, that we're trying to achieve. So we need 45 degree on the back side, reverse the board, and 45 degree on the top side. So with my trusty UJK jig, stick it on, and we have 43.7. So we'll need to adjust that blade to get it to to get it to 45. So we'll Okay folks, for this next bit, we need to do a measurement. So I want to measure down 2 screw lengths, maybe 3 screw lengths on this into those pieces of wood, because you see me just touching but not going any further. So what we're going to do is going to lock this in at 15 millimeters, centimetre and a half, and then that'll go down to that depth and no further, which will allow room for the ends of the bulbs to go in. Yes, folks, so there you have it, another week at the Relaxing Woodshop. Hope you enjoyed that wee project. So next week, no, just leave it a secret. Let's leave it a secret, see what you think of the next show. But yes, again, thank you so much for all your support, for all your likes, for all your subscribes. It really means a lot, guys. So until the next time, take care, and look forward to seeing you at the Relaxing Woodshop. Bye-bye.